Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mix It Up. Today I'm going to show you how you can find the IP address along with the detailed information what the IP address includes. So to start with, so you're gonna type cmd, which is nothing but command prompt, run as an administrator. And just type IP config. Okay, so this will bring you the IP address, gives you IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, which means like the wireless network ID, and all. So as you can see here, my IP address is here. Okay, to find all the detailed information about the IP address. Okay, so you can do by typing ipconfig slash all. Okay, so this will give you the whole information, the detailed information that which you're looking at. You can find it here, so the DNS servers, default gateway, subnet mask, and also along with the, if you connect it with the VPN, you can get that info as well here. Okay, so this is how you can find the IP address, and along with the detailed information that the subnet mask, default gateway, DNS servers that in here. Hope you like the videos. If you like it, please like, comment, share, and leave the comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.